Hi, welcome back, and you're very welcome if you're new. So I'm going to plan today for the month of October, and the theme is camping out. I use the Coffee Monsterz Co kits every month, and I'll be doing the same this month. So let me just quickly share what I'll be using. In the description there is a video going through everything, so I'm not going to talk about the details. If you want to see all the specifics, check that video out. And actually at the end of October, the 2026 ones will be being released, so keep an eye out for that. I do think I'm going to go for the Coffee Monsterz Co monthly kits again next year. They're just so handy. They have everything I need, but they have everything I need because I can pick and choose. She really outdid herself last year, for example, having just this sheet as an option rather than having to buy the whole kit, and then being able to buy this add-on with the dates to cover the dates in the month, so you can really find what you need to suit the planner that you use. And technically these were made for Hubman Cousins and a standard 7x9 planner, and I have a B5 Hemlock Oak and they work for me. Right, let's get started. I've already put down my journals theme here, the squirrely acorn. If you missed the setup of my journals, I'll link that below. It's a really cute theme this month. But for now, let's get the October overview set up in my planner.
I look at you, you make me blind. Why do you have to be so beautiful all the time? I know I can't be with you. It's killing me to see you with someone else. What to do? Now I'm in the corner and watching you smile, watching you smile. And I can't get over you, I'm losing my mind. All of the things that I wish I could tell you, every time when you're passing me by, I fall in love. There's something about you, I wish you were mine. And if I only could be there to hold you, it feels like I stop breathing when you're around. I'm in love. There's something about you, I wish you were mine. So many times I wanted to put my arms around you just to be close to you. And in my head, it's just you and I don't know why I feel this way. Now I'm in the corner and watching you smile, watching you smile. Now I can't get over you, I'm losing my mind.
Now it's time to do my monthly plans. When I pre-planned, I checked it I don't know how many times because I had so little to plan for this month. I was like, this can't be right. I have a couple of birthdays to put in, I have my annual leave, and I have Halloween, and I just thought that cannot be right, but sure, it'll fill out throughout the month. I actually had a really busy September to the point where I've been scribbly planning for the last week or two, so we'll catch up whenever I memory plan and I'll tell you all about everything I've been up to. But for now, let's get the feeling of organisation even a little bit and set up October's monthly.
All of the things that I wish I could tell you, every time when you're passing me by, I fall in love. There's something about you, I wish you were mine. And if I only could be there to hold you, it feels like I stop breathing when you're around. I'm in love. There's something you were mine. I wish you were mine. 'Cause every time you pass me by, I fall in love. I fall in love. All of the things that I wish I could tell you every time when you're passing me by, I fall in love. There's something about you, I wish you were mine. And if I only could be there to hold you, it feels like I stop breathing when you're around. I'm in love. There's something about you, I wish you were mine. Ooh, there's something about you, I wish you were mine.
Say something like you love me and make my day, like you always do, like you always do. Hold my hand and look me in the eyes so I can tell you how I feel, tell you how I feel. Every day is something new if I spend it with you, with you, with you. Oh, I want you right now, and I need you right now, you right now. My world is spinning round, round, around. Oh, I want you now, now, now. My world is spinning round, round, round. And I want you now, and I want you now, and I want you now.